welcome back to my YouTube channel. Around 2 years ago I started doing celebrity makeup transformations, and actually my first transformation was Kim Kardashian, so I'm gonna try to recreate that. I'd like to think I improved a little bit. This was my first makeup transformation. Yeah, I can't wait to start. So this was my recreation of my first look, which was Kim Kardashian. I hope you liked it. I enjoyed doing it. I didn't follow the steps that I followed 2 years ago. I didn't want to influence myself from my previous video, so I didn't watch it again. But I did have the same photo, same look in front of me. So I'm gonna put side by side the looks. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to recreate any other looks? If so, which one would you like to see me try to improve? Let's say that. Improve from 2 years ago. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!